Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Ihechi, and if this is your first time here, you're definitely welcome. So in today's video I'll be trying something different. Usually I would use my MAC foundation and a bit of expensive products here and there, but today I'm just going to keep it on a budget. I'll be using only drugstore makeup, so it's going to be fun. Hopefully I'll be trying out some products with you guys, viewing them and all of that. Definitely keep watching, and let's get right into it. So I've already moisturized my face. My skin is looking so good today. My skin has been rough lately, but it looks better today, so hallelujah. So I'm just going to use that opportunity and do this video. So for primer, I'll be using the L'Oreal Infallible Mattifying Primer. One day I tried it and the result was not bad, and then a few days ago I was not understanding. So I'll be adding a little bit more because I get quite oily on my T-zone area. It makes your face smooth. It's so silky, so it's like you need to give it time to dry. For foundation, I'll be using the Revlon Photo Ready foundation in 440. So it says it's a natural finish anti-pollution foundation. Okay, I love my foundation natural, not mattifying, just in between, so hopefully this does that. This is my first time. The only foundation that I use currently is MAC foundation. I've not really been into drugstore foundation ever since I started using my MAC foundation. That's because I don't have the strength or energy to buy a foundation and then get home it's not really my shade. So this foundation is £9.99, so it's quite cheap. And imagine if you don't get your shade right, that means you're going to end up spending £20. So hopefully this one does the job. If not, it's going to be stressful in this video. So I'm going to try this out. I'm going to use a few bumps. This is actually the closest shade to my skin tone, so hopefully it does the job. No, like the primer has dried down, so it dries down. I'm going to take a few pumps again because one more pump, because a girl likes being extra. So oh my god, you better match me. I ain't got time. I'm going to spray the continuous setting mist, Morphe continuous setting mist, all over my face. I do this for my makeup to last longer. I'm going to start blending. It's looking a bit whitish. Hopefully it will settle in. If not, this is a big problem. Oh my days, Revlon, you better come through for me. Please, please, please. I think it dries down really quick, but it doesn't dry down matte. I'm looking quite ashy, but I think it oxidizes. I'm going to need a few more pumps because of my bad side. I don't know what you guys can see. Am I looking ashy? Oh my days. Trust me, it's better than some other ones that I've gotten. I don't know if it's looking ashy, but I feel like it's settling in. What can I say about the foundation? It covers. You can build up the coverage if you want, but I feel like this is enough for me. To highlight, I'll be using my LA Girl Pro Conceal in Cool Tan. I always use this. Drugstore makeup or no drugstore is my favorite. I think it's been long I did a makeup video on this channel. I've been doing like try on hauls and all of that. It's like Obviously I've been enjoying that as well, but I love makeup too, so it's been long. I actually planned to do this video. I had all my stuff, but then never really got to contour. I'm going to still use LA Girl Pro Conceal, but this is in shade Beautiful Bronze. This is the only concealer that I trust when it comes to contouring. Maybe it's the only one that I've actually tried and that worked for me. So then I'm going to use my same foundation brush to blend. Ever since I found out about this shade, I'm just like, nah, never going back. I stay loyal. Your jawline, you know, just to shape it a little bit. When you do all this stuff, you think, oh, they are not making any difference, but trust me, by the time you finish, it will start making sense. How can I forget my nose? Is that even possible? Hope I'd not go crazy. Take it up to my eyebrows. So I'm going to blend my concealer now. I left it to dry down a little bit and give me a full coverage. So I'm going to blend that out. I'm going to be using my Revolution Conceal and Define in 10.5 just to highlight a little bit more, just to be dramatic a little bit more. Wow, the foundation has settled in. Okay, Revlon, I see you. I see you. You didn't come to play. If this foundation really works out, I will stick to it. The Revolution concealer is just so good. It's so good. It's not my first time trying it, so I always use this all the time and it's so good. So if you haven't gotten it yet, girl, better try it out. It covers, it does what it says, you know. So now I'm going to set my face with some benign banana powder. It's been long I used this, but today, since we are doing drugstore stuff, I'm going to be using it. So I'm going to use a fluffy brush. Benign, better don't disappoint me. Better not, you better not. So I'm just going to press it on the area that I highlighted. I like the look I get whenever I don't bake and do it like this. This is much more better than baking. Then I'm going to use it all over my face because your girl can get quite shiny. Then on my nose, because this T-zone be acting up sometimes. If I was to bake with this benign banana powder, to just give me that ashy stuff, but then if I was to do it like this, everything is just on point, less stressful and all of that. To powder contour, I'll be using my NYX contour palette. I'll be using this shade right here. This contour palette is so good. Sometimes, like all this powder contour stuff, they can get quite patchy on your face when you use them, but this one blends in so well. Yeah, I like the finish. Just doesn't give me any trouble. When I'm doing this, I just have to remind myself, just be gentle, girl, don't overdo it. And then for my nose, I'll still do the same for my nose. Just go over the area that I cream contoured. I need to put some setting powder there because I don't want any harsh line. For my eyebrows, I'll be using the Rimmel Professional Eyebrow Pencil in black brown. This is a good eyebrow pencil. It's my everyday eyebrow pencil. I have full eyebrows, so I don't do too much. I just put little strokes at the end bit, and that's it. Going to brush it out, so that everything will just blend in. This eyebrow pencil is, I think, $4.99 or $5.99. Yeah, but it's so good. I never really tried any high-end eyebrow pencil. It's just eyebrow pencil. Why should I go and be spending who knows how much? So I'm going to use my LA Girl Pro Conceal in Cool Tan, the one I used earlier to highlight. Just going to use it to clean up this area. I added a little bit of Evolution concealer here. For my eyelids, I'll be using the Masquerade Mini by Juvia's Place. So funny enough, I've never really used these bits, but these other bits right here, I've been using them. So I'll take this golden color right here. Very pigmented. Oh wow. Oh wow. Never expected it. Okay, Juvia's Place. Okay, I see you. So I'll be using this brown shade right here for the outer corners. Then I'm going to use the brown again just to push it in. So I'm going to use this Rimmel eyeliner. It's called Glam Eyes. So I'm done applying my eyelashes. These are quite fluffy and full, so I'm going all out today. These are quite nice lashes. I don't really know the particular one this is because I've actually used it like so many times, and if I find them then I will leave it in the description box below. So I'm just going to use the brown shade that I used earlier. Look, the foundation is actually holding up and it's actually matching my skin tone well, so oh wow, I'm impressed. So I'm going to line my waterline using a brown pencil. Can't find the black one. Oh, I will dip it into a black eyeshadow and then use it. Okay, just want something that not too obvious. I'll go over it with my mascara. And yeah, that's done. That's it for the eyes, I think. Now let me use the golden a little bit and put here this inner corner here, just to make my eyes be a little bit more noticeable. I love this eye look. I love this eye look. I love this makeup. I love everything. For my blush, I'll be using this Bee Powder blusher. I got it from Superdrug and it's in the shade Roses Are Red. The color is so beautiful. When I got it initially, I was just like, you know, when you're like a black girl, it's really hard to get that blush to match your skin tone because most times they're quite ashy. So I was just like, let me not risk it. But then it's a good one. It's a keeper. This is actually my second time getting it, so then on the tip of my nose. I love putting blush on the tip of my nose. For highlighting, I'll be using my Maybelline Master Chrome highlighter in Molten Gold. I never knew they had like different shades of this highlighter. I'll use my fan brush, take a little bit. This my fan brush is not the best, but I still use it. Then put it on my cheekbone. This highlighter is my fave. Best. It's quite golden, and yeah, I like it. Highlights to the guts, babe. Okay, not too much. On the tip of my nose, and then here. Girl, is that you? Is that you? Oh my days! I never knew that a full face drugstore makeup could look like this. And this foundation, guys, this foundation is doing the absolute most. Okay, we are not done yet. I'll be using my Morphe lip liner in Vibes. I've been using this lip liner of late, like almost every time I do my makeup lately. This lip liner is so creamy. I've never seen anything like this. I've never. My big lips. I've been loving Morphe's lip stuff. I got more of their lip liner, and then I also got like more of their glosses because their glosses are quite good. Let me know, guys, if you would like me to review their glosses or like swatch their glosses, because I have quite a few. I'm going to be using the Morphe lip liner in Boho. If you have been watching my makeup videos on Instagram, you must have seen me use this lip liner and lip gloss together. Look at that. Look at that. It's such a good combo. Okay, what else again? I think we are done. I'm going to spray my face with the Morphe Continuous Setting Mist. Woo! I'm going to quickly do my hair offline, and then I'll come show you guys the finished look, and also review some of the products that I used. So yeah. So guys, this is the finished look. Yeah, I'm loving everything about this makeup. So this foundation, guys, what do you guys think about the foundation? Because I feel like it really matches my skin and it's popping. Everything is just on point. The foundation definitely came through, and I feel like initially when you apply it, it's going to look ashy. You need to give it few minutes to settle in. And yeah, the lip gloss, I really love this Morphe lip gloss. It's really glossy. It's really good. And I would also like to talk about this primer. It depends on how mattifying you want it, so you can apply different layers. Like I did, I applied the first layer, let it dry down a bit, and then apply another layer. After applying it, you should give it a few minutes to dry down before then applying your foundation. I feel like the mistakes that I've been making previous times that I've used it is actually not waiting for the primer to dry down and then start immediately to apply my foundation. So this is a good one. The benign banana powder as well is a good one. One thing I would say is, if you want to use it, don't bake, just use a fluffy brush like this, like I did. And yeah, I'm loving my eye look, very golden. Guys, let me know what you think about this makeup look and about the product that I've used in this video, because I feel like the makeup came out on point. It's like flawless. I wasn't expecting it to come through like this. So from now on, you'll be seeing me using this foundation. Definitely. Okay guys, we have come to the end of this video. Thank you so much for watching, and please subscribe to my YouTube channel if you haven't done so yet, and also follow me on Instagram at Ihechi_U. Please give this video a thumbs up if you really enjoyed it, and yeah, I will see you in my next video. Bye.